What is a screwdriver? Screwdrivers are simple yet indispensable tools, with various functions primarily revolving around driving and removing screws. Here are the main functions of screwdrivers: driving screws, removing screws, fastening and securing, maintenance and repair, adjustments, assembling furniture, woodworking and construction, electrical and electronic devices, security fasteners, accessing tight spaces, and pre-tightening. Overall, screwdrivers are versatile tools that play a crucial role in many applications, making them essential in DIY projects.